Hey there, guys! Are you looking for ways to spice up your TikTok experience? Do you ever feel like the content on your feed is just not cutting it for you? Well, I have some exciting news for you. I recently discovered this incredible TikTok mod called TikTok 18 Plus, which allows you to view TikTok content with adult themes and content. This app takes your TikTok experience to a whole new level, and I am here to guide you through the process of downloading and installing it on your phone. Now, before we dive in, I want to clarify that this app is not available on the App Store or Google Play Store, so we need to go through some extra steps to get it installed on your device. But don't worry, it's super easy, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Firstly, let's talk about the app itself. TikTok 18 Plus is a TikTok mod that provides you access to a ton of exclusive adult content that is not available on the regular TikTok app. With this mod, you can unlock a world of content that is sure to satisfy your cravings for something more, something exciting, and something different. Now let's get to the process of downloading and installing the TikTok 18 Plus mod on your phone. If you have an iPhone, you need to go to the General settings and make sure that your background app refresh is turned on. This will allow the app to refresh content in the background so you don't miss out on any new content. Next, go to the battery settings and ensure that your low power mode is disabled. This setting turns on automatically when your battery percentage goes below a certain level, so make sure to keep an eye on it. Finally, go to the App Store settings and make sure that your automatic downloads are enabled. Once you've done that, head over to your internet browser and type in OG Inject VIP. This is the website where we'll be able to download the TikTok 18 Plus mod. Once you're on the site, you'll see a range of modded apps. To find the TikTok 18 Plus mod, simply go to the search bar and type it in. Click on the TikTok 18 Plus mod, then press Start Injection, and the app will begin to download and install automatically. If you have an Android phone, the process is even simpler. All you need to do is go to the battery settings and ensure that your battery saver is disabled. Then go to the same website, OG search for the TikTok 18 Plus mod, and press Start Injection. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this legit? Can this really work? The answer is a resounding yes. I have tested it out myself, and I can guarantee that it works. It's super easy to use, and the content that you'll be able to access is mind-blowing. Trust me, once you start using this app, there's no going back. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and download the TikTok 18 Plus mod today and experience TikTok in a whole new light. And if it worked for you, make sure to share it with your friends, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.